Capital One Platinum Secured Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. This is one of the most popular secured cards in the country, and there is a good reason for that. You provide a refundable deposit, and Capital One may approve you with a deposit lower than your actual credit limit. That means you can build more credit than you pay for. On-time payments are reported to major credit bureaus, helping your score grow. There is no annual fee, and Capital One regularly reviews accounts for graduation. Verdict: worth it for rebuilding credit efficiently.